So we have here an original K0 sandcast black plastic cover for the gauge, and there is an old scratched, cracked lens in it, and we want to add a new lens into the original cover. So first we have to remove the old glass lens, the plastic lens, and it's glued here in this cover. It's almost impossible to get it out, to get it separated from the original cover, but we do it here with a CNC router, and I will show you how we can do that. So we put the cover in a mold and we fix it with some clamps. So that it's stable and that it can't move. So now it's fixed. And second, we can start the program so that it gets milled out of the original cover. It has been removed now, and we can now put the glass lens in the cover, and you'll see that it fits well. And that's it. The cover with a new glass lens is easily done. So thank you for watching.